Little garden update here. These are almost ready to stop blooming, actually. But yeah, I've got of course, my normal orange ones are blooming. And then these are some of my favorites here. And the little pink ones. I got my purple ones are starting to, my bells. It's actually, I had so many flowers. My rose bush is huge. Roses are done. These are starting to, the scarlet runner beans are doing really good. The fish are happy tonight. They're like playing, they keep going around in circles around that thing. They're having fun today. Daylilies are blooming. And I don't know what these are, but lots of bees on them. Let's see, they're all blooming. I like these. Those are cute. My tomatoes are not doing very well. I got a few, but I planted those from seed. I got a couple tomatoes in there, but I planted my tomatoes really late. Oh, I gotta clip some. That water weed is getting away from us. I gotta clip that back. But the scarlet runner beans are doing great. Hummingbirds love it. Hi, Cleo. It's not time. I'm not your feeder. Look at her. She thinks I'm gonna feed her. See her? Look at her. Yeah, feed me, feed me, feed me, Cleo. You're goofy. You're goofy. I'm not feeding you. Daddy feeds you. Silly girl. Whoops, got my hand in there. They think it's time, Daddy. Time to feed them. But yeah, we got the scarlet runner beans are climbing the arbor there, so. And then these are coming in again here. I have these yellow ones everywhere, but they just spread and they're just beautiful. And then I planted these zinnias by seed. And I got lots of different colors going on here. That one's beautiful. Let's see. Really, really pretty. And the marigolds are doing well. These big ones are the African marigolds. These are really tall. They got really, really tall this year. That's it for the garden update. It's going to be blooming a lot more, but just had to show you.